Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. Are you someone who is very concerned with your gut health? Well, join the club. I am one of those people that is always concerned with my gut health, trying to make healthy decisions for my gut, managing stress, but also supplementing. Recently, I was given the ZenMen Cruciferous Superfood Veggie Caps, and I have been really pleased so far. Here's a couple reasons why. This is the most important thing to me, that these are made with organic vegetables and herbs. And when you look at their proprietary blend, it really stands out. There's 17 different vegetables and herbs in here. I also love that they include an enzyme to help digest and break down all of these. And they include probiotics, also to support your gut health. This is just such a fantastic option for not just digestive health, but the antioxidants that these vegetables and herbs supply you, as well as support for just long-term health in general. The caps are your typical veggie cap size, so they're easy to get down with water or juice in the morning. These are gluten-free, GMO-free, vegan-friendly. Within the hour, I typically see results, which is a total bonus, if I do say so myself. I like to know that my digestive supplement is actually encouraging my digestion to do what it was designed to do. If you're looking for a digestive supplement to keep you regular, to support a healthy gut biome, then look no further. ZenMen's Cruciferous Superfood Blend is what you need to support a happy, healthy gut. But that's just my point of view.